Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. But before we start with Jasmy, if you have seen my last video about Step and GMT token, sorry for the audio. I was with my family in the cinema, and as soon as I saw that GMT broke out of the pattern, I want to upload as soon as possible a new update for you. So sorry for the noise. It was pretty loud there, therefore the sound was not very good. So but now let's start with Jasmy. So here on Jasmy we are on the daily chart, and you can see that right now Jasmy is still in this trend. Downtrend. So it's still below this downtrend line. And if we zoom in and look maybe on the 4-hourly chart, then you can see it found here once pretty good support, came to the EMA ribbons, were rejected, and found here right now again kind of support. I mean, this could lead into a kind of a double bottom here. So we have a W pattern, W, and if this breaks out, the price target is something around, let me do it like this. Yeah, well, it is at 0.023. So this could be a pump off from the breakout to the price of 15%. So this could bring Jasmy to this kind of golden pocket, and actually also then we will see a breakout to the upside from this downtrend. But for right now, we are still here on a critical level. We have good support below us, but as long as we are not above the 786 Fibonacci level and not above the EMA ribbons here on the 4-hourly, I'm not bullish enough to say, okay, this is definitely here a trend reversal. So be cautious, be patient, wait. If this this W pattern will really play out. If this plays out, maybe if we come over the 786 Fibonacci level, that could be a potential entry for a long position. And for me, I would definitely wait to see more confirmations if this W pattern play out and if we come over the EMA ribbons. Guys, ladies, if you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phemex or Bybit. After your first initial deposit, you will get a bonus depending on your first deposit. So if you want to trade, check out my links in the description. And if you want to support me, leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much, guys and ladies. And as always, no financial advice. Peace out, guys and ladies. Happy Easter.